Well, the rise of the agentic web created billions of AI agents that communicate and represent humans. But creators today have no true ownership of their AI voices and no transparent licensing. There is no guaranteed way to earn. Well, Voicevault built that ownership layer for the agentic web using Walrus that enables users to transform their voice into a verifiable on-chain asset, deploy autonomous voice agents, license their digital voices, and own your voice, deploy your agent, earn forever is what we believe. You can clone your voice, you can deploy your agent, you can pay per use, you can also mint on-chain ownership, and the main feature is the auto royalty split. Every payment splits on chain with a 2.5% platform fee, 10% royalty fee, and the rest comes to the user. We also have a global marketplace where the voices are stored. And so how this works is that we upload your voice, mint on chain, you can deploy your agent and earn per call. But your voice should work while you sleep. This is what we believe. So let's get into the demo and I'll show you real fast. So here is the TTS part of the voice that can be used by creators. This is a place where you can clone your voice using Chatterbox. So we have integrated a different model. So I'll show you how we can process your voice model. So here we have started recording. So let's name this Rajarshi's voice.
This is Rajarshi. How are you?
And so demo video will upload the voice. And here we get a SUI Walrus URI. And so, okay, we already have a voice registered. So since every voice is an NFT, every account has an individual voice through which it's connected. So I'll delete this voice. So here you can see we deleted the voice and let's start again.
Hey, this is
Let's process the voice.
Rajarshi.
Here we get the Walrus URI again. And it's automatically filled the model URI, the usage rights, and the pay per use for SUI. Let's register it on blockchain. Here's the slash wallet that opens up, and we have the object changes, the estimated fees, and the transaction details covered. We'll approve it. And it's done. So it's the voice is registered successfully. Here you can see the voice ID and everything. So let's go to the marketplace. Let's show you how a creator will use your voice. So once we have their voice, it will automatically appear in the marketplace where you can use your voice. So let's buy the voice. You can also try the voice from here. The payment has been successful, and let's use in the upload page. So let's try something. I'll use selected voice, that Rajesh's voice that I just bought, and we can enter the text. So let's generate the speech. Here's this generated speech is generated using your voice.
Hey, this is Rajarshi, and I will win SUI
So you can
Overflow
see the voice has been
2026
cloned
Hackathon.
properly. There has been some speech improvements since we have used a Murph API and we didn't have any time. So using this voice, let's show you how we can deploy your voice agent. So let's use the voice. First, I'll select a sales agent with my voice. I'll review and deploy it. Deploy the agent. So the price is zero point 0.1 SUI per call as I've selected. So here is the agent is live. So we can and let's also add a tutor agent so that the proper transfer can happen. So I'll show you how this works. All the agents that you deploy are multi-connected with each other via an
Hello,
exposed
I'm Tutor
MCP
Agent.
where
How
they
can
can
I support
communicate
you
between each
today?
other.
So I want to inquiry about a course that you are selling.
Of course, I'd be happy to help. Could you tell me a bit more about which course you're interested in? For example, is it related to programming, business, or another subject?
I want to know the price of the computer science course. Can you call the sales agent for that?
I have invited sales agent. Over to
The
you,
current
sales
price
agent.
for the computer science course is 50,000 rupees.
Over to you.
Thank you.
So as you can see, it doesn't only have a voice agent calling feature, but it also has active context transfer, where one agent can transfer the context between each other on SUI. So all the conversations are stored on SUI and secured, so the agent is properly replied. So this is what we wanted to make. And well, the rise of the agentic web will create such agents, but Voicevault will help them build the ownership layer for the agentic web on Walrus. Thank you.